Alright, so what's up, Quad Squad? This is the first person view of everything from me getting into the aisle chair all the way down the plane and into my seat, of which GoPro didn't start recording in time, so I didn't get the transfer from the power chair to the aisle chair, but here's from the aisle chair and the rest. If you like this shirt, I made it for the trip. If you guys want me to make this into a merch, drop it down in the comments. Anyways, let's get onto the aisle chair and get down the plane. Go. It's whatever.
You should close it. Oh, you want to turn it off?
This will turn around this side.
Turn it off.
It's turned off because I don't want it to. Okay. There is a manual brake somewhere.
Yeah, they're down on the side.
Just take your hand like this.
Yeah, I know.
Can you move it a little bit this way? So we have. Yeah. And turn.
Well, you want it forward?
Yeah, forward.
No, it's let it be there because it can hit somewhere.
No, I want this gear to be forward because there's no.
So you want to move forward?
Yeah.
You want me to go?
Yeah, sure. I mean, go. Stop. Back it up. Yeah. Just put it down. Okay. Bring my cushion. Alright. Turn it off. Wait. Left. Push
this one?
down.
Put it down. That's it?
Yeah.
Okay. Now it will be manually.
No, she'll show you how to switch it. She'll show you how to turn it off.
Okay.
Because there's the little brakes on the side.
This one?
Yeah, but once you turn it off, it's going to start moving. Because you're on it downhill.
Pull it up?
Yeah, you pull it up. There's one on each side.
Okay. Both pull up
Yeah.
to move forward, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And as soon as you do it, it's going to start falling backwards. Yeah, but yeah, it's going to start moving. He knows.
Okay.
But it's going to start moving. Do you want to see if you, yeah. And do you want to get my cushion and see if you can get it switched?
No, we can't.
Try it. Just pull it off and see if you can do it. Because I can't put it on top. I'll sit way too high.
Make sure that the belt on the top is not moving. The first seat is thanks for getting your
9. I think she knows.
They want to replace the seat bottom.
Let me know if someone behind me.
no one with you.
Which one is this?
Yeah. Wait, they stay. Yeah, there you go. Thank you. Okay.
So she said, unfortunately, we can't.
They've let me do it on other WestJet flights before.
Okay, yeah.
It's because like I'll get a pressure sore if I sit on that one.
Okay, yeah. My lead says that the black pad needs to go on top of the blue pad. I can ask my other flight attendant. They want to remove the seat bottom from the seat and put his own seat bottom on.
Because it's a rojo for my pressure. So I'll get a pressure sore if I sit on the hard one.
Stina says no. I'm wondering if
I mean, if you have to add a
yes, they
cushion,
they want to
but we can't take the bottom cushion out.
This one is still.
Maybe we can just put it.
See whatever.
He said that he's done it on WestJet flights all the time. Put his
Yeah.
own seat bottom on the seat.
It's the first time I've ever said no.
Okay, I can get the pilot's contact off about it, but yeah.
It's whatever.
Is that like a special cushion
I
that's
get-
made for that, or?
It's a special cushion made for my wheelchair to offload pressure.
Yeah, so if
We've
it's
had
made
that,
for
but
the
somebody puts it
wheelchair,
on top of.
it wouldn't be made for this seat.
Yeah, you're
And
right.
can you have it just over the?
Yeah, I mean, I can try it.
Taking that one off?
Yeah, I mean I'll try it. Yeah,
Like that's fine. But
it's very sparse.
It's all for you?
It's all right. We'll try. It's just I just sit really. You end up sitting really high without it.
so
You see how high you sit?
yeah. That's with the our cushion.
That's with
under.
your cushion. So I'm like, my head's gonna be above the headrest. So I'm 6 foot.
It's just like for the seatbelt and
Yeah.
everything. It's made in a certain way that if you start changing it, like everything, I'm sure you know. So
I
on
feel you.
airplanes, it's very strict. This you can attach here, put your bag there.
Okay. Okay.
I mean, I can get the pilots to contact
We can
our operations, but I doubt they would be okay with that.
Okay, we can try it. I mean, let's try it first
You
and
want
see
to
how
try
it
like this and see?
We'll try it and see. Otherwise, then we'll figure it out.
That's right.
Okay, one step.
Okay.
So 1 and then yeah.
1 step, 2 step, 3 step. Huh?
No seatbelt.
Okay, so open this one. Open everything over there.
Okay, just a moment.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so we discussed it between us. We can still contact them to confirm, but to modify the aircraft fittings in any way is just always a no. So I don't know why that they allowed you to do that on the last flight. But
Well, it is what it is.
okay,
I'm not gonna fight
I'll
it.
get them to confirm with the officer.
So
You bro, I can. Okay.
just be careful of it.
Okay.
Yeah.
The legs. Be careful
Yeah.
with the legs.
Oh, we forgot about the leg strap.
Just hold it from there.
Okay. Sorry.
Yep. Yeah. 1. Yep.
Yeah.
Just a moment. Can you... 1 second, 1 second.
Just be careful, okay?
Yep. Yeah. It's gonna be difficult.
No. He's gonna come this side.
No.
You come this side.
Okay.
And now do it.
So,
Do you want to come from the other side?
that
And
side
lift?
is better.
Don't lift too
You
high.
from that
because
side?
It is up shit. Okay?
That side is better for me because
Which one?
it's too pressure coming on my back.
Do you want to come from the other side? Like lean over the chair and lift?
The chair is not going to. The chair is not going to.
No.
Okay. Lift
Just a moment. Just a moment.
Mansoor, do
Well,
it for me.
it's okay. 1 second. 1 second. Wait.
I know.
Just be careful, okay?
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Just lift him.
1 second. Come.
Yeah, now from here. Do it from here.
You okay?
You good? Hello?
Ish.
I'll just keep this one down.
I gotta have to go.
You good?
Okay.
Is it fine?
Yeah, 1 more.
Or are you gonna remove the cushion?
I think
How does it feel?
Huh?
my feet don't touch the ground. I guess.
We put something underneath your feet, so
Yeah, we can have something on the floor. That's
Yeah.
fine. That
No.
helps.
Okay.
yeah.
All right. Yeah. So let's go over a little bit more.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm sorry we cannot accommodate that. I'm also a little bit worried about the dog will fit or not.
Yeah.
Wait a second. Come, I'm gonna do it from here.
No, do it from here only. Here is no space, there is space.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
1, 2,
3. Do
3.
it.
Okay.
You good now?
Sure.
This is better?
Yeah. A little bit. Yeah.
Huh?
How much does this chair recline?
This one's too bad?
Doesn't recline at all, unfortunately.
Oh shit.
Yeah, this is another plane probably than the one you were on last time, the WestJet.
Yeah.
This is one of our newest ones, and it's waiting to be like fitted like the other cabins. So none of the seats on this plane recline. Do you usually have a recline after takeoff?
Yeah.
Is it only 2? Okay. It's about 3 hours and 34 minutes.
True.
Last time did you have this service log as well?
Sometimes I bring them, sometimes I don't. Depends on how full the bookings are and stuff. Sometimes they just give me an extra seat in between us, but sometimes when it's a full booked flight, it's you don't have any other options.
Yeah, because I think you would have the right to an extra seat because it's a large dog. I think without any extra cost. Like check it, look into it.
International, they don't give you no cost. Only in Canada. Even to the States, no, it's you have to pay for an extra seat.
Even if it's a service.
Yeah, like yeah, if you want a full seat from the start, you have to pay for it.
Okay.
Come on. Wakely, come here. Wakely, what's this? Come here. Come here. Come here. Wakely. You're gonna have to give me the leash, but yeah, I don't know how it's gonna work. Wakely, hey, sit. Come on, sit. Come on. Yeah. Wakely. It's gonna be a hard one, Wakes. I know it's gonna be really hard. It's a he, yeah.
If he lies down, I'm thinking.
Yeah, Wakely, sit.
Kind of lies down a little bit under this.
Lay down. Lay down.
Oh.
Yeah.
2 hours later.
Wakely, hey, sit. Lay down. Good boy. Good boy. I know it sucks. It sucks. I know it sucks. I know. I know. It sucks. I know.
Looking at the legs. What are you doing?
Like, what are you doing to me, Daddy?